In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work Jobber. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, you'll find this guide both helpful and easy to follow. So let's dive in and cover all the essentials you need to know in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser to search for Jobber. Simply type Jobber into your search bar and hit enter. You should see Jobber's website appear in the search results. Click on that link to take you right to their homepage. Now that you're on the Jobber website, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Jobber, don't worry. Just take a moment to sign up. The process is straightforward, requiring just some basic information to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to Jobber's robust suite of tools. Next, navigate to the top right-hand corner where you'll find the gear icon. This represents your settings. Click on it, and then go ahead and select Website from the Marketing section. This step will lead you to the Website Customization page, a fantastic tool that helps you personalize your site quickly and efficiently. On the left side, you'll see a preview of what your site looks like as you make changes. The right side provides various customization options for you to explore. Changing things up to match your brand is easy, offering a solid way to keep your identity consistent. Here, you can also manage your business profile settings, where you can upload your logo and customize your PDFs. This will ensure that all your documents carry your unique branding. For those looking to personalize client interactions further, you can customize your request forms. Head over to Settings, then click on Requests. You'll find options to tweak form fields, add descriptive texts, and include a detailed rundown of the services you offer. This kind of personalization can greatly enhance how potential clients perceive and interact with your business. An additional feature worth mentioning is online booking. If it's enabled on your account, you have the option to customize your booking URL. Even more strategically, you can add UTM tracking to ensure you know exactly where your leads are coming from. A great tool for assessing the success of your marketing efforts. Lastly, it's crucial to manage your products and the visibility settings for appointments and requests within the Client Hub. This not only keeps everything organized, but also provides your clients with a seamless experience. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to work with Jobber. Remember, each feature you customize is an opportunity to reflect your brand and meet the needs of your clients more effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.